And these are the ingredients that we need. Butter, brown sugar, actual sugar, flour, baking soda, chocolate chips. You don't need to be small, you don't need to be big, just whatever chocolate chip. Vanilla extract, whatever type of vanilla extract you have. And some eggs.
Okay, first you're gonna need to preheat your oven to 375, and then you're gonna need 2 big bowls. One for your dry ingredients and one for your wet ingredients. Once you have that, you're gonna need measuring cups to measure the flour, the butter, the sugar, etc. Then you're gonna need your whisk and your spatulas to mix the ingredients, and then a pizza pan to put the dough on, and make sure you spray the pan on there unless it won't be non-stick. Okay, first you're gonna have to add your butter, but make sure you melt it first.
This is a wet mixture, by the way.
In case you're wondering.
This is 2 sticks of melted butter. And we're just gonna pour it in.
After you're done with that, you add in your sugars.
Yes.
Half a cup of regular sugar.
And this is just 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay. God, so unprofessional. I swear sometimes.
It looks so good.
Anyway.
Then you start mixing. Yeah.
You're gonna get fired.
I'm sorry.
Keep mixing.
I can hold you. No, see, we're partners.
We're partners. That's what works in this relationship.
No.
Only if he was staying instead of going to ID. I guess.
Anyway.
We forgot the eggs. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Don't do this.
Don't do it.
Don't
eggs
be like
are
us.
important. Eggs are really important.
Anyway, 2 large eggs. So sorry. And then you mix it. After 1 egg, you mix it. Okay. Now this looks really nice. If you do it well, it looks nice.
Looks so much better.
Then
I was wondering why it didn't look good.
Out of context, but whatever, right?
Guys, I'm scared now.
Okay, after you're done whisking for about 30 seconds or so,
You add the other egg. Correct. Make sure you don't get any eggshells in there. You don't want to eat eggshells. There you go.
Nobody said they were bad, but I mean, you don't want to.
As someone just said, they're pretty scared.
I'm pretty scared. Because we left an eggshell.
Yeah, one time.
He was reminiscing.
Reminiscing of the past. Okay, I'll hold it for you, buddy.
Thank you.
So you keep whisking until everything is neatly mixed.
It's all smooth and movable and doesn't stick.
Nice.
Doesn't stick to the whisk when you bring it up. Yeah.
And you mess up.
Awesome.
What? Now for the dry mix. For the dry mix, you're gonna need 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of flour.
And 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And then you mix it up so it gets everywhere. Mix with the flour.
Yeah.
Now that you are done with both of your mixtures, start incorporating them. Dry mix into wet mix. Only a bit at a time though, because if you put them at once at a time, it's gonna be pretty bad. Oh god. Pretty bad. Only a bit at a time, not a bit at a time.
Hey partner, can you get the things on the side?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Use a spatula to do this. Because if you use your hands, that's That's unhuman-like.
It's inhuman
Inhuman.
because
You dirty.
You dirty.
There's one dark at the tree. I'm getting to.
No. You have to add it pretty slowly.
next one.
Make sure you don't see any more flour after.
Yeah.
Get more dry mix.
Make sure you don't see any wet
Dry mix.
here. Make sure it's all in the wet mix, and then dry, and then
Yeah.
And then add more dry mix.
Just slowly.
I see dry mix right there. No.
good. All right, stop.
We don't have to.
Once you're done putting the dry mix into the wet mix completely, as you can see, completely, you can add your chocolate chip now. Hey,
Stop. No, stop.
No.
No, that's for the batter.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
about 1 cup of chocolate chips,
What about that?
and then just start incorporating it. Yes.
The vanilla extract.
Uh,
Bloody hell.
after you do this,
Oh,
You can
guys,
just-
we forgot the vanilla extract.
oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh.
we're such klutz. Don't be like us.
Don't be like us. Let's see, how much vanilla extract do we need?
Oh my god, this should be done behind the scenes. Oh.
It's okay, guys. It's okay.
No, we're just incorporating the chocolates here. Don't worry about it.
Down.
We're folding them. As you can see, we do like this kind of motion. Can you see? Yes, of course. Come on. You're really.
I don't know how much it is, so let's just put whatever. I'm kidding, I measured it.
Yeah, he did. Don't worry.
Alright, guys.
Edward's one of those people that measures things twice.
Just to be safe.
Yes. Now you can show. And again, don't be like us.
Don't be klutz.
Don't be klutz. We're a bunch of guys trying to bake.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does smell really good.
That's flour.